burger cone. McDonald's.
What do you have to say about that?
Facial. Okay.
You should probably turn the light on in here.
Yeah.
So.
This is our first attempt. We've never done this before. But we're game for fun. My daughter, Anonymous, she's the manager here today, so it's
nice. It's nice how buzzard.
Do a British accent.
How'd you like to try any peppermint mocha?
No thanks. Peppermint gets me gas. Let's see, do you have those, like, frozen yogurts in those, like, edible cup things?
I'm not sure what you're asking about.
Yeah, well, it's like, it's ice cream in, what do you call it, like a little edible cup.
Are you asking about an ice cream cone?
Yeah. Could I have two little ones of those things?
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. How much is that?
$2.17 at your first window. Thank you.
Okay. See, I don't even know what they're called. He called it a cone. Here you go. Thank you.
She's like, really?
Take the money. Thank you. And here's the receipt. We're gonna
The
autograph it.
cones. Conage.
Hello. It's alright. Here's yours. And here's mine. Thank you.